Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a marigold flower. Let's begin from the center and draw like me. So this is the first stage of drawing. Then we follow to the outer circle. Do the details and elaboration like this. Alright. We can do the elaboration like this. The outside it's little circular in shape. The petals are radially distributed. We can draw a curved line like this, and the curved line. This is another flower in the beginning part. Petals are here, hasn't bloomed yet. We're going to put leaves here, 3 of them, and 1 leaf here. This is the border line for the leaves, as you see. And the border line here. As the drawing progress, everything we draw here, it become visibly clear. Okay. So this is the outlining. It's done. Let's put the yellow color in the middle. So this is the yellow. This flower is a yellow color flower. All the segments has the yellow tone. After putting the color, we are going to do the details. So yellow is done. Then we'll put the green here. Light green for the leaves. The bottom part of the drawing is little darker and the top part is lighter. Okay, the drawing is getting pleasant as we progress to the next step. The shades on the flower is lighter on one side and darker on the other side. All right. Let's do a little detailing of the petals here. We can draw the border of the each petal. That's how it's getting visually clear. Let's do a few details of the petals like this. After detailing, each petal looks nice. Alright, so the drawing is almost done. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.